Hawthorn Dene today. I'm going to have a walk around and a little bit of a play and see what we can find. Got my big one, just in case. You never know, there might be some wildlife around. But I've also got my small lens, and I know for a fact there's a bit of a waterfall and everything down here. It's a nice place, as you can see. It's quite nice out here. It's cold, mind. So let's have a walk and let's see what we can get. So this is what I'm on about, and this is done with my phone, so excuse it if it doesn't focus on out, but that's what I'm going to take a photo of. So settings for this. So my settings for this are, just took a photo, that's what I've just took. It's quite nice, it's quite nice. So there's what I'm taking. ISO 100 f11 1/25 of a second. If I wanted to, I could drop the f-stop, so I'm going to drop the f-stop to f8. So because I've done that, it means that I'm going to have a longer shutter speed. So I'm now on 50th of a second. You can see, on 50th of a second, so at ISO 100. I'll say that. Yeah, I do like that. Right, I'm going to move down a little bit. We'll see what else we can get. I just came around that corner there, and basically all these snowdrops are down here. It's quite nice. So, in one of the previous videos I was trying to explain f-stop. Well, this is probably going to be a little bit better. So what I've just done is I've just taken this. Yeah, I'll put the photos on so you can see it. So what are my settings for this? At the moment, my settings for this 640th of a second, f4, ISO 100. Right, so I'll put the photo up for that. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move my f-stop up. I'm going to take it up to f16. Yeah, obviously you've got to move that down. I'm going to take the same photo. Now you can't really see, well you can actually, you can see the difference. Hello! So the flower is there and all the background's blurred, and that's f4. And that's f8, sorry, it's not f16, and it's not blurred. So like I was saying, that's at f16, and that's at f4. So you can tell the difference just by the background. So the higher the f-stop, the more depth of field you've got, and the more that's going to be in focus. So I'm going to put the f-stop up again. far as I can get it. Well, that's F32. So I'm now on F32. There you go, I'm on F32, 1/8 of a second, so it's going to be quite a lot of exposure, so this might not work because it's a bit windy. An ISO 100, and we'll go from there. Right, I'm going to put the ISO. I'll put the ISO and then we'll go from there. So let's have a look. ISO, I'm going to push that up. I'm going to push it up to 640. So now it's now 640, still F32 from a half a second. I'm going to take that. There's a bit of movement there. So again, I'm going to knock the ISO up again. I'll take it up to 1000. In fact, I'm going to take it up to 1600. Take that. And the wind's starting to drop, so that's nice, that's better. See, what I'm trying to do is, because it's a moving object as such, alright, it might only be moving a little bit, which is moving. Because it's a moving object, and I'm doing such a slow shutter speed, basically you're going to get it moving, so it's going to be a bit blurry. So what I had to do there, put the ISO up, so basically it lets some more light in, or sorry, the sensor would see more light, it's more sensitive to light. So that means I can basically put the shutter speed up so it doesn't move. So it's a faster shutter speed, so even if there's a little bit of movement, it's going to stop it dead. Whether or not I've took it high enough on that f-stop is a different matter. But anyway, I'm going to keep on walking around and let's see what else we can find, because these snowdrops are lovely. So I thought I'd have a little sit down, a little bit of drink, and then we'll have another walk around. This place is lovely. Hawthorn Dene, north east coast. We'll have a look at it. It's really nice. It is. Come on guys, well, spent a couple of hours Hawthorn Burn, sorry, Hawthorn Dene. It's been nice. Sun's got out quite nice now, so I'm going to make my way back to the car. As you can see, this is where I'm looking at now. That's quite nice. And then tonight I'm going out to the sea a lot. I'm going to do some light painting, some white wool spinning, and just basically playing with fire. So I might do a tutorial if the lads will let me while we're out and about. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, you know where it is. Like and share. Latest guys. Get out with your cameras, have fun. Latest.